Good morning, students. Hope you're all doing well. Ratios was done in the last video. I hope you are practicing ratios and the questions that I had given you in the last video had a few, typing errors there, and I have corrected them. Now, those who have done the questions may open their notebooks and check their work whether the answers are there with them or not. Now, the questions that were incorrectly typed. They are typed here again. All right, in the correct order. Now, just look at the first question, children. First question that you see here is 15 ratio 40. All right, now 15 ratio 40, it means they have given you the blank on the after the ratio sign. All right, before the ratio sign we have 45. Now what will you do with this 45? 45 will be compared with 15. Now how did this 15 become 45? Since they are both standing in the first place before the ratio sign, so multiply 15 by such a number that you get 45. So 15 times table has 45, yes. 15 times 3 is giving you 45. So if you have multiplied 15 by 3, then you'll do the same thing here in the second place, that is 40 here. 40 multiplied by 3 will give you 120. Since we are doing equivalent fractions, so whatever number that you have multiplied here will be applied on the second number also. Now, moving on to the second question. Second question also has the first two numbers given in there. Then the first answer is given as 20, but after the sign 20, it was a blank there. Okay, so what will you fill this blank with? 40 before the ratio sign and 20 before the ratio sign. Compare 40 and 20. How did this 40 become 20? Now the number has become lesser. Okay, in the first case the number 15 had turned into a bigger number, 45. In the second question, 40 has turned into 20. It means it is decreased. So when you're decreasing any figure, you will divide it. How did it become 20? 40 divided by 2 gives you 20. So it's the same thing goes on the second number, that is 50. So put the same divided by 2 with this 50 and you will get 50 divided by 2 gives you 25. 40 divided by 2 gives you 20 and 50 divided by 2 gives you 25. Now we are moving on to the third question. Now over here there was a mistake and it's corrected here. And what is that question? Question is 12. Compare 12 with the first number. Why are we comparing it? Because the second blank is empty, which is connected with 50. So just first connect 12 with 48. How did this 12 become 48? 12 multiplied by 4 is giving us 48. Now the same number 4 is going to be applied with the second digit or with the second figure that you see here is 50. 50 multiplied by 4 gives you 200. And now we have the last question left. 15 ratio 24. Now 15 will be compared with the number which is before the ratio sign, because 15 is before the ratio sign and 30 is also before the ratio sign. So how did this 15 become 30? We will multiply 15 by 2. Now when we multiply 15 by 2, it will give us 30. The same number goes with the second figure multiplied by 2 will be connected with 24. 24 times 2 is giving us 48. This is how the equivalent ratios are done. So children, correct the figures that were incorrectly typed and have a look at the numbers here. I hope you have got the first two right because they were pretty easy, and the third and fourth had the numbers are now with the corrected form. Okay, so please check your work and practice more for the exams. Okay, so bye for now.